Hi guys, it's Spence from LA Motors and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's a slightly different one. We haven't got a new car in today. We're going very old school today in a highly modified 2015 Land Rover Defender. We've done a couple Defenders on the channel now. We've done a short wheelbase 2021 Defender. We've done a long wheelbase 5-door 2021 Defender. Under the hood we have a 2.2 litre TDCI engine. This car comes in such a nice colour. The Santorini black. The paintwork actually glistens. We've got an upgraded 6-spoke steering wheel. Not flat bottom, not flat top. It's actually small and round. The seats, we've got half leather, half fabric with white stitching on the seats. Another modification, a big one in fact. This has had a 6-speed automatic conversion and also an electric handbrake. All done by JE Engineering. All this comes with a receipt. A £15,000 upgrade with the receipt as well. I'll quickly mention now before I forget, if you're interested in this car, it's available right now at LA Motors. This is a very, very rare car, which is a must in my opinion. We also have heated seats, but this driving position, I feel like I'm in a go-kart. Like the driving position is literally the same as a go-kart, and it feels weird, but it's quite. It makes you smile. It's like you just want to rally it around and take it off roading and go full send. In the rear, as you can see right here, we have panoramic windows in the corner to let a little bit more light in the car. The whole headlining is Alcantara, including these visors here. We've got a giant spare wheel on the back. We have KBX lights up front, KBX front grille, KBX bonnet vents, big side steps on the side of the car to not only let you get in and out of the car a little bit easier so you can step into it, but also to add that little extra shape. This is also switchable between 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. We also have upgraded daytime LED running headlights. Check out this turning circle, you ready? Just about made it. I'll tell you what, it's got some oomph. Wow, I love this thing. LED upgraded side lights, LED upgraded tail lights as well. And we've got these old school indicators which are very flimsy, but it shows character from the Defenders back in the 90s. Same with the stereo up front. It's 2015. You'd expect it to be a little bit more techie, but I like the fact that they've kept it very old school on the inside with these plastic buttons. We've got these sliding switches here, these old school mirrors. We've got baby window wipers as well. Covering that spare wheel to keep it protected, we have a Chelsea Truck Co. spare wheel cover. Obviously the gearbox being upgraded, you'd think it might come with some problems or anything like that. I mean, when you highly modify cars in general, you expect problems. But the gearbox feels so smooth. Absolutely mint. The suspension is absolutely mint. Everything about this car is mint. It's been well taken care of. We've talked a lot about the car, but I want to show you in a little bit more detail of the interior. So here's the view where you guys get to see what I'm seeing. Check out the size of these wheels. Have a closer look at these vents. Big bump in the hood. Check out the beef on these tyres as well. Got a massive mud guards down here. So that is how you get into the rear. Go on. Oh, but yeah, a bit of a distraction, my bad. Got privacy glass all round. You can't actually see in, but we can see out. So in the back there's plenty of space for you and your friends. Plenty of storage. Loads of leather with contrast white stitching all over the seats and through the center console as well. The floor is actually carpet. Very nice place to be. Grab handles up here in case your friend is sending it off road. You know, you don't fly around everywhere. We've got grab handles up here, grab handle here. How about the driver's seat? Don't laugh at me trying to get out of here, but I'm 6'2", so this might be a little bit of a struggle, but I love the old school door handles, man. I love the fact, I'm going to mention it one more time, but I love the fact they've kept all the old stuff, man. Even the door handles. But like I was saying earlier, got the old sliding switches. The heating vents is from the old cars. All the switches are from the old cars. And then we have a nice clock up here. The upgraded steering wheel from Chelsea Truck Co, as I mentioned. Take a look at it. Has a very lovely feel. Fits very nice in your hand and looks so cool as well. Here's the indicators I was mentioning earlier. How they're flimsy, but they're from the old Defenders. Got an old Bluetooth stereo. Here is the shifter that I was on about earlier. As you can see, they've done an absolute top job. Listen to the electric handbrake. Let's pop the key in here real quick. Oh, bloody hell, I don't turn all this off. It's a problem. I've been fiddling. so I don't know how to turn it up. Done it. Listen to this. Oh, sounds serious. Loads of storage here. That's pretty much the interior summed up. Let's go back to the camera. So guys, I've been driving this for the past 20 minutes now. Just reminiscing. I'm taking it back to LA Motors right now. And not only have I didn't mention, one thing I didn't mention which actually surprised me, I didn't notice this has got a sport mode in the gearbox. So like any other modern car, fling it to the right, we have now got manual shifting, and we're going to test that out right now. Here we go. Ready? I'm going to fling it down to go up. You ready? It's actually quite responsive. I thought there was going to be a huge delay. Let's check the downshift. Ready? Downshift. It's fairly responsive. But the question is now, guys, obviously I've drove both new Defenders, the short wheelbase and the longer wheelbase 5-door version, and now this. Which one would I go for? Drum roll please. To be honest guys, I'm gonna have to go old school, man. If I had to have any of them, the new Defender is very nice. Very, very nice. And I wouldn't mind one myself. Can't really slate them. But if I had to pick, if I had the choice to go with this one or that one, if I had all the money in the world, I'd go with this one personally. My personal opinion. I love the old school. I love the old school feel. I love the way it drives, the upgrades. It's a really happy place to be. But that's been it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on. And I've been Spencer, this has been LA Motors, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It's too sick, wow.